Alright, so let's continue with our coding brief. This is the file we downloaded from Kaggle. So this file you can find on Kaggle. Alright. And the first exercise we're going to do, we're going to use the GRU, the gated recurrent units. Why GRU and not LSTM? Well, computationally, GRUs are a bit more interesting, and basically there's no proof that LSTM would be better than GRU. So in that case, GRU is a smart choice. And of course in Keras we have the GRU layer, and we have two arguments. One is this one here, this 32, called the number of units if you go and see in the Keras documentation. And then the input shape. So the input shape, remember, this is a drawing that we used when we derived our formulas for LSTM and GRU. It's very simple. You have a previous state here, but you use an output gate, OT, because you want to selectively write. And the dimension of this hidden state, or this S, is D. And D is a dimension that you as a data scientist need to specify. Of course, the higher that dimension, the more flexibility you have of learning certain features. And then remember, we're going to do a selective read. So this is selective write. Then we do a selective read on the input. And the input here is n dimensions, the input vector. And the input vector is nothing more than the features, or the 14 weather features. So in this case, n is 14, and here d is 32. Alright? So then afterwards, this is still the selective read, and this piece here is the selective forget. The GRU doesn't have a specific forget gate. So basically what you do is you take the previous state and you multiply it with whatever is left from the input state of time t. Alright? And this gives you your new state. So again, the dimension of this state is d, is 32 in our case.